Recofoam is a really attractive option for clients and local authorities to provide them with an alternative to conventional asphalt. It utilises up to 95% recycled and secondary materials, providing very high quality, durable asphalt base and binder alternative that has a much lower carbon footprint when comparing to conventional asphalts. Our Recofoam process is a very good example of circular economy. We reuse the asset, the highway.
We're in Plymouth, and what we've got here is we've got a road that's been left for a while and it needs to be done. They've identified that the material used originally was a tar-bound, so we've come in on a tar-bound scheme, and what we're doing is removing all material and we're recycling it.
There aren't actually that many places to dispose of tar-bound planings from the network. We had to think of a way of getting around that.
So the material is planed on site. It's then brought back to the plant, which is sited locally. It's tipped off. We then crush, we then screen, blend, and produce our Recofoam product. During our production process, we foam the bitumen. That bitumen expands in volume and enables a coating over all of the particles within the mixture. And it also encapsulates any asphalt waste that contain tar, classified as hazardous waste. Within 10 minutes of tipping, we can reload that material and get it back out on its way back to site. Recofoam is designed as a base or binder asphalt alternative and not as a surface course option. It is designed as a load-bearing layer and not as a trafficking surface. Our Recofoam product is designed by GR UK, who optimise the product and its constituents to give the client ultimate performance. Recofoam is a cold material. It uses much less fuel to produce, and the fact that the product can use up to 95% recycled and secondary materials has enabled us to demonstrate a saving of up to 50% carbon. We do two grades of Recofoam. We do a heavy-duty grade and we do a storage grade. The heavy-duty grade can be used on heavy trafficked areas, trunk roads, local authority roads, housing estates and industrial areas. The storage grade can be stored once produced for 6 to 8 weeks and then used as a hand-laid material for footpaths and other applications. We've recently revisited Scotland. We did the A92 Ladybank project where we did record-breaking volumes.
Bear Scotland puts sustainability at the heart of all the design work that we undertake on the North East Trunk Road contract. The tar-bound materials were going to be a problem for us. So we can remove the materials from site and take them to a mobile plant nearby, process and bring the material back to site and use it to create the new base layers of the pavement. Obviously this is a significant cost reduction, and there is also the reduction in the environmental impact.
It's far cheaper to recycle. Bringing in virgin materials all the time and putting it into the network just doesn't seem right.
I think it's amazing, not only for us as a business, but for our future generations, like my children. And I want us to be working in a more environmentally friendly kind of place, and this is just the start.
The feedback from our clients is very good. Everyone is delighted with how well the material compacts and is installed, and are delighted with the early life performance. And it will give them a very good, sustainable alternative to conventional asphalt.